Yeah, that worked out. I really boosted over the stump gap that time.
Sweet.
You can tell I'm in the air for a while.
Yeah. So I'm here with Mark Matthews, Scott Bell, and Jarrett Lindell, and what we're doing is we're shooting an incredible shot for Mark Matthews. Scott Bell is working with Mark Matthews to create this incredible raw edit, so pure sound, cable cams. Really one of my favorite types of videos to watch in mountain biking because it is so pure and you can't cheat very much. I'm going to show you my perspective in this vlog, kind of what my thoughts are on the trail, the setup, hanging out with these guys, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy it, and yeah, let's get after it. You. So right now I'm at the very top of Sharknado. This is the trail that Mark Matthews has built out here on the island, and it is absolutely phenomenal. And the biggest thing being here in person versus actually seeing it on his YouTube channel in isolation is he shoots a lot on GoPro because he's a busy guy, gets a lot done, where I can stroll around here and check it out with all my cameras. And the biggest thing I notice is that the jumps and the transitions and the gaps are huge. They do flow as well as Mark makes them look in the videos, but they are way bigger than you think. So I'm going to take you through the entire line here and show you what my thoughts are on Sharknado here, and if you like it, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, more detailed videos are obviously going to be on Mark Matthews' channel. Check him out. He's been building this trail over the entire summer, and I'm just checking it out near the end of this trail build. So let's check it out. So up there is kind of where we started, and then you come down here around this berm. I'm standing on a little roller, second roller, and then there's going to be like a little shark fin here. So let's check that out. So from this shark fin itself is probably 4 feet tall. This tree on the left here is pretty tight, so you don't want to come too tight on the left side of this, but you're going to come up that right side. Mark will fire off that, and it's probably a 20-foot send, and then I'd say 6 to 8 foot drop there, just to get into a really fast transition to another jump. So let's check out the next jump. So yeah, off that first shark fin there, after the first berm, you land in this transition, which is really fast, and then Mark's gonna hit this jump here. So it's a little narrow, 2 foot wide lip at the top, and it fires him straight into another transition, right into another berm. So if you've watched the video of him riding it, that's what it kind of looks like. And it doesn't look that big from here. It looks like a nice little transition, probably an 8 foot gap. But what it actually is another 20 foot gap, probably 3 or 4 feet drop just to get into that next berm. And then he comes into this giant berm that I'm standing on. And then once he hits that berm, it sends him to another 20 foot gap here. Everything seems to be 20 feet on this thing, at least. And it sends him no elevation change. It's kind of wide open, but it sends him into a nice little drop and a kicker right into the last berm. So let's go check that out. So this is the final shark fin that he hits, and he comes in completely blind. And then he has to go over some gigantic ferns onto a landing that you just can't even see. So he's explained that in his videos, and it's absolutely phenomenal. So he does that, and then he's hitting the final stump jump. And there's a difference of elevation probably of, my feet are at the lip of this, probably 8 feet of drop through all this fern. So when you see it in the video, it doesn't look that big, but it's probably a 25 foot gap and an 8 foot drop just to roll into that last berm to send Mark over the stump. Unreal. This guy is so insane. Look at this thing. All right, So that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope I gave you a little bit more perspective on this crazy feature and this crazy line that Mark's putting together here, and some of the other trails around the island here. So yeah, we'll see you in the next one, and you.
Mark,
Yo.
continue to be a hustle.
Thanks. I'll try.